Soul is the latest Disney animation movie and the latest from the Pixar studios, and it is the first film from the Pixar studios to be released on an OTT platform. Because of this very reason, the financial success of the film cannot be measured right now, but the word of the critics is out, and most of them have given it a thumbs up. Now, this kind of makes me wonder about the authenticity of those reviews because although it's a nice film and I did enjoy watching it, but it did not come across to me as the peak Pixar, as some studios have hailed it. Soul is the story of a person who is riding waves between life and death and is trying to answer some very strong existential questions. And along with that, the film also tries to spell out the reasons for why life on Earth is actually a gift through the voice of another character who we get to know as Soul number 22. The film does make you sit and think about the self-centric lives that we have become so used to in this age that we take it as a way of living as it is. And it does kind of nudge you a little bit to take a look around and see the world around you as well. I love that bit where they kind of showed that how if you get too obsessed with your work and with your passion, then then you kind of start losing your soul and you end up becoming a monster. That bit was quite nicely done. And there was another bit in the film which is my absolute favorite from the whole film, in which one character says something to another character, and then one goes that don't pay attention to that person. He's just saying this to bring the other person down so that he himself can feel better about himself. And then the other character goes, oh, you mean he's just criticizing me to cover up the pain of his own failures? I know for a fact that I'm going to be saying this line to a lot of people who do have this tendency to bring other people down around them. The soundtrack of the film is most of the times written heavily by jazz music, and if, like me, jazz is not your thing, then maybe the music won't work for you as well. Unlike all the other Disney or Pixar movies, where even if you don't end up liking the film too much, you end up loving the songs. But as it went with this film, I can't really recall any song which I really would want to sit and listen to over and over again. Looking at the setup of the whole story, I was expecting a lot more visually from the film, but I didn't get it. Unlike some of the other movies, which are absolutely spectacular visually, this film tended to have another taste. Probably it was because of some certain creative choices, like if they're setting the whole thing up and linking the whole narrative and the structure of the film with jazz, probably they had to do some kind of different treatment for the visuals as well, and that's why we have the kind of visuals in the films we have. But I don't know. I look at these animations as something which should make me feel like a kid again, and so I was missing out on that. Watching the first half, I felt that the film did not get enough time on the writing table, but the second half moved so fast that I didn't get any time to think, and I just sat back and enjoyed what I was watching. Soul is a light, feel good film, and it surely deserves a watch in the times that we are living currently, because everything around us seems to be so depressing, gloomy, and unpromising. This film does brighten you up a bit and makes you feel a little better. Soul is not the best Pixar movie that we've had till date, but it does leave you with a smile and it does warm your heart, and I think that's enough of a reason to watch this film. Also, I think I will finish reading the first book of the Earthsea books, which is The Wizard of Earthsea. It took a little longer for me to finish the book than I had expected it to, but I think I'm going to finish it today. So I'll be uploading my thoughts and comments on that book sometime soon. So, what have you guys been watching? Did you watch this film? How did you like it? Let us discuss this in the comments below, and keep watching and keep reading. Cheers. That I just sat back and enjoyed what I was. That I just sat back and enjoyed what I. That I just sat back. That I just sat back and enjoyed what I. That I just sat back and enjoyed what I.